In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct an angle and bisect it using Geogebra. And we are going to go to the Chrome app and I'm just going to start creating. I'm going to begin in the geometry view. So first off, I have to construct an angle. To do that, I'm going to use two rays to construct my angle. And now I'm going to bisect it. The very first thing I want to do is make a distance or use a compass to open it up the same distance from this vertex A. So let me show you how to do that. Before I do that, I'm going to actually bring this a little bit closer because it's sort of close to point B. So I'm going to go to my compass and I'm going to go A, C through A and intersect. Now to bisect this angle, it means I'm going to divide this angle DAC into two equal angles. Let's just measure it. So I'm going to divide it into two equal angles. They're going to be around 31 degrees. So let me show how you can do it. There's different ways, but this is how I like to do it. I'm going to use a segment tool and go from C to D. The reason why is because I'm going to open my compass a little bit more than half, or anything a little bit more than half. It could be just as long as it's more than half but less than CD. More than half of this distance but less than the distance of CD, and putting my compass point on this vertex C when I open it up. So let me show you how I do that. I put a point a little more than half, take my compass, I'm going to go C, D through C. So what I'm doing is I'm bisecting this segment, and I'm going to copy this over to here. Now I'm going to intersect using the intersection tool, and I'm almost done. And here's the line tool. Click on A. I could either click on G or F. And now I've divided this angle into two equal angles. And by the angle adjacent postulate, the first angle plus the second angle equals the total one. Let's go check these angles. Here's the angle tool. And remember, you always have to bring your mouse in the clockwise direction. D, A, G, and G, AC. Well, guess what? They're really hard to see. So let me show you how to take care of that. We're going to go to our perspectives and go to our algebra view. Along the side here, you're going to see that these two angles add up to this one. And let's make sure it's a construction so we can take our original angle and make it bigger or smaller. Right now I'm going to just hide these so you can see what I'm talking about. This is our original angle, angle CAD, and it's been bisected with this line AF. Now you have completed this construction. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do this for your assignment, make sure you save it as a GeoGebra file and upload that file so that I can go through it at the end and check to make sure everything. I'm going to move these well, I can't move that one, but I'm going to move this one and make sure the angle is bigger or smaller. I can use this too to move the angle and check. And you can turn these on. This is really cool. You can turn these on or off. Right now I'm turning them off because they're all on top of each other, but actually what you can do is you can move these guys, and they're a little tricky, but you can move them so that you can see it better and they're not overlapping each other. Thank you so much for watching.